So I just came back home from brunch with my sisters and my mom because it's my sister's birthday and we wanted to celebrate. So I'm just gonna vlog like a weekend in my life, and that's about it. That's the plan for today. So I'm gonna be going over to my grandma's house, and I'm just packing my things right now. I can't decide what I want to wear, so I have like multiple clothes here, and I also have to pack my makeup. We're going to the Kendra market right now, and it is raining again. Also, there's something in my eye right now and it really hurts, but I can't figure out what it is. And I've been trying to get it to stop for like 20 minutes now, and it's still not working. We're in Chicago right now. Huh? It looks really cute inside.
Yeah, but is it good review?
We're in Chicago, and of course there's traffic. So we're gonna find a parking spot first. Finally found a parking spot, so now we're just gonna go around. And I'm wearing my new boots. I love my new boots. Oh my god, this is a murder scene. Hey! Where'd your balloon go? No!
Mine's like all the way up there. I see all poor ballooning.
Good job, buddy.
Oh!
We're gonna end up in the lake. Oh my god.
I probably should just throw.
Hi.
I'll go on with you guys. Hello. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god. It's raining and it's cold. It kind of is, but I wish it would stop raining soon. We're gonna go and eat. I'm so excited. That's so cute. Oh my god, it looks so good. This is what my mom got. This also has salmon and kale noodles, avocado, I don't know the rest. It looks really good. It's really good. There's not a lot of people like in Chicago today, which is kind of surprising, but also not really since it's Sunday. It's only like 4 or almost 5 and it's already this dark, so that kind of makes me sad, but I love seeing all the lights. It's so pretty. Wait, which one is which? I'm eating again, even though I just ate. What? Oh my god, that's so cute. It's a good luck pig.
Yeah, interesting. Yeah.
Oh, there's more. Strawberry. Maybe I'll get 2. Is this one just a plain one? Oh. Honestly, the vanilla latte doesn't taste like as good as I expected it to be. Tastes like the one from McDonald's. No tea, no shade. Why am I so close? Oh my god, I'm gonna gain so much weight this weekend. These are so cute. All the ornaments. Tiny penguin and a bear. Oh my god, I'm a sucker for cute things. These ones are so pretty. So, I forgot to mention, this is my outfit. I'm wearing this beret from Forever 21. And then here's my earrings. My necklace is from Forever 21 as well. This poncho is like my grandma's. I just borrowed it. And then this is like a black long sleeves from UNIQLO. My leggings are from AERIE and my boots are from CAMPBELL and they're so cute. I love these. I would link the earrings, but sadly the online store closed, so I can't show you guys anymore, but I'll try to find something similar. You guys could probably find it like on Yes Style or something like that. Oh, for my jacket, I don't even know what brand this jacket is, but that's my outfit. So I'm just gonna end my video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.